Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about SNES, a crazy run around 400% today. It started from 30 cents and it went all the way to 154. In yesterday's video, I explained these recent patterns I saw when the stock creates this first base after the morning spike. When it started to break above the morning high, it comes back to the morning high support level, which was 86 cents for SNES, and then it starts to go up. And even if when it broke above 1 and it touched 122, 121, it started to coming back. It creates this V-shape correction, but it didn't go up. It started to come back and test the $1 support level, and then it started to rip from that. So this is let me show you the ADOM yesterday. ADOM yesterday, after it started to break above base, when it broke the high of the day, it went all the way to 122. It came back to $1. It touched this support level and then it started to go up. I took my position at 96 and I sold it here pre-market at 147. I sold it too soon, and as you can see, it went all the way to 192. I could have, should have, would have to hold it and make more profit, but I already had 53% overnight. 53, or yeah, I think it was around 50% overnight played with very small investment. I just took 1,000 shares here and I sold it here. So I posted that in my Twitter if you want to look at it. So for SNES, with this strong close, I expect a crazy gap up tomorrow, but the stock is 400% up. I don't touch it because it's risky, and I think it runs to $2 in pre-market or at the open. But for me, it's too risky, and I don't like to play this chart. So I just wanted to show you the uh, pattern I explained yesterday. And if you watch the yesterday videos, when this stock here started to uh, if when it started to break above morning high, you could be ready when it comes back and touches the previous support to get in and run the late day rally. So I think this is a pattern I'm seeing more and more. I have to consider this for the next crazy supernova rally, and this is something new. I don't want to say it's new, but it's happening recently, and I have to consider this for my trade. Um, that was it for today, and I hope you had a good day and enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.